Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Clues. Today we will learn how to use Excel index match formula instead of VLookup or HLookup formula for single and multiple cells. But first we should understand match and index formula. Then we will combine index and match both formulas and will compare with VLookup formula. In match formula, it returns the position of a cell in the row or column, means row number or column number. In index formula, it returns the value of a cell in a table based on the column and row number. The combination of index and match formula can look up and return the value of a cell in a table based on vertical and horizontal criteria. So let's start. I have selected few IDs and copy pasted for index match formula. These are for match formula, select cell F3 and write formula equal to match. Select lookup value E3, comma, then lookup array column A, comma, 0 for exact match, bracket close, enter. So this 5 is the position of this ID. So to cross check we can write down 1, 2, just like serial numbers. Now we can cross check. This 5, this cell position is row 5. Select cell F3 to F7 and press Ctrl D. So these are the row number of these IDs. For index formula, select G3 cell and write formula equal to index. Select array B column, comma, location of this cell. As we know, we have already checked in match formula. So write 5, bracket close, 96.24, same as. Now we have to check next ID equal to index. Select B column, comma, 8. That is equal to index B column, comma, 13. These 5, 8, 13, these are the row number, but we have to do manually these all formulas. B column, comma, row number 16 equal to index B column, comma, 19. Okay, so we can cross check these values: 96.24, 70.02, 78.57, 72.23. So all are Fine. In index match combined formula, select cell I3 and write formula equal to index. Select array B column, comma, match, lookup cell E3, comma, lookup array A column, comma, exact match. For exact match we will use 0. Bracket close, and press enter. Then select cell I3 to cell I7. Press Ctrl D. So look at it. This combined index match formula we can compare with raw data. So results are same. So this formula is correct. So now we will compare this index match combined formula with VLookup. Next sheet is lookup to right. Looks to the right sheet mean retrieving data from the column at the right hand side in the raw data of columns. So if we will compare index match formula with VLookup formula or HLookup formula, both results will be same. So let's check looks to right sheet. I have already copy pasted few IDs for index match formula and VLookup formula. So for index match formula, select G3 column and write formula equal to index array column C, comma, match lookup cell F3, comma, lookup array B column, comma, 0 for exact match. Bracket close, bracket close. Now we will use dollar also, dollar symbol here, here, okay. Press enter. Select cell G3 to G7 and press Ctrl D. For VLookup formula, we'll select cell L3 and write formula equal to VLookup lookup value, comma, select range B column to C, comma 2, comma 0, and close. Select L3 cell to L7, press Ctrl D. So we can compare index match formula and VLookup formula, and both are same. Next sheet is look to the left. In this look to the left sheet means retrieving data from the column at the left hand side in the raw data columns. In this case, only index match formula will work. VLookup formula will not work. So we'll check once. Let's start. Index match formula. Select G3 cell and write formula equal to index array B column comma match lookup cell F3 comma lookup array C column comma for exact match select 0 bracket close press enter. Select cell G3 to G7 and press Ctrl D. For VLookup formula, it will not work, but we can try. Equal to VLookup lookup value comma column C to B comma 2. Look at that, it will not work. VLookup formula will not work because VLookup function is designed in a way that it can only retrieve data from the columns at the right hand side, and here data is actually in left hand side. So we'll delete this and we'll do one thing. Next sheet is index match versus HLookup. In this sheet, our data is in horizontal format. I have selected few headers and copy pasted for index match for multiple cell formula and HLookup multiple cells formula. For index match, multiple cell formula is equal to index select row array row comma match lookup cell B9 comma lookup row first row comma 0 for exact match bracket close enter. Sorry, have to add one more, have to close bracket. Now just copy this formula and paste from C10 to F10. For HLookup multiple cell formula is select B17 cell equal to HLookup select lookup value B16 comma select row 1 and 2 comma 2 bracket comma 0 bracket close enter. We'll use dollar here. Here and here also, and copy this formula B17 formula and paste C17 cell to F17, paste it. Now we can compare index formula and HLookup formula, index match formula and HLookup formula, both are same, and we can compare with row data also, it's same. Last is 43.68. this one 43.68. Next sheet, multiple column index match formula tip 1. In this case, we will try index and match formula for multiple columns while retrieving data from the columns at the right hand side in the raw data columns, like this. For this, for index match formula, we have to select K3 cell and write formula equal to index select array from B column to F column, comma, match select lookup cell J3, comma, array column A, comma, 0, bracket close, and comma, again we'll use match formula, match select cell K2, comma, select array from B2 to F2 range, comma, 0, bracket close, and we'll use dollar symbol also here, 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 between K and 2, between K2, dollar here, here, press enter, copy this formula, cell L3 to O3 and paste it, then select cell K3 to O7 range and press Ctrl D. Now we can cross check our result. 96.24, 40.69, 2.9, 16.53, so all are correct. You can cross check, they all are same as per selected IDs. Next sheet is multiple column index match tip 2. In this case, we will try index and match formula for multiple columns while retrieving data from the columns at the left hand side in the raw data columns. So for this case, index match formula will be select K3 cell, write formula equal to index select array range B2 F, comma, match lookup cell, comma, column G, comma 0 for exact match, comma again we will use match formula, match cell K2, comma select range B2 to F2, comma 0 bracket close. We'll use dollar symbol here, 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 between K2, K and 2, yes, it's very important. Then here dollar, here, 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 here. Press enter. Copy this K3 formula and paste it L3 to O3. Then select range cell K3 to O7. Press Ctrl D. Now you can compare result. This is 63. You can compare it with this one. 78.57. 93.181, 97.81, 2.23, 17.78, 63. So all are correct. Hope you like this video. So please like and subscribe to my channel. Once try these formulas and share it with your friends. Thank you very much.